How to share games on Steam. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Steam. Make sure that you are logged into a specific account. Once you're in here, what you want to do is click on your username at the top right and then click on sign out. You have to click on confirm. You will be logged out of your Steam account. Once you have been logged out, now what you want to do is move ahead to the PC of your friend that you want to share the game. In their device, enter your login credential of your Steam account and then sign into your account in their device. Once you have been logged in, click on Steam at the top left and then head over to settings. Inside settings, head over to family. The option of authorized library sharing on this device is available. All you want to do is toggle on this option. You can see the profile of your friend. You just have to turn on the sharing option. Once it has been turned on, now you have to sign out of this account. And then your friend have to log into their specific account. Once the account has been logged in, he will be able to see the game that you have shared to them. And then you'll be good to go. So that's all, and this is simply how you can share the game on Steam. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.